again guys, out on the road, just coming into the little town, the probably quite ancient town of Ramsey in Cambridgeshire. There's the old pond. Always looks like it should have been a ducking pond for witches, that. Don't know whether it is, but it looks like it should have been. And there's the old church and abbey. Over there, we're just coming into the little high street. Yeah, there's some very old villages and little towns around here. So I thought I'd sort of come through here, show you a little bit of it. It's a work day, so there's a bit more traffic around at the moment. It's just coming up to lunchtime as well, so yeah, everybody's out and about. So what's the story? Well, this camera that I've been using, this Gsxs1000 Brave 7, it's supposed to be compatible with an external microphone. Apparently the Gsxs1000 Brave 7 LE, the launch edition, isn't. This isn't the LE, this is the Brave 7. So according to the specs, according to everything I've seen online, this is supposed to accept an external microphone. Turns out it doesn't. So that's why the audio has been so shit on the videos that I've been posting with it. Picture quality is absolutely fine. I've got no complaints with the picture quality at all. For a budget action cam, the picture quality runs at 4K. If you put one of the little filters on it, has one on there called Gorgeous. I don't know what that actually does, but it seems to make the colours brighter. I've now done a software update and that seems to have changed to one called Vivid. So I'm hoping that does the same thing. The image stability, image stabilisation has proved to be pretty good as well. Whether it's as good as a top GoPro, no, it probably isn't. Got to be honest. But then you're not paying top GoPro prices. You know, this is about 130 quid, 140 quid or something. For the money, yes, very good. I just wish it accepted a bloody microphone. But, so anyway, so what we're doing today is recording the audio separate, and I'm going to lay it over the top of the track. So we'll see how that works out. It might be the way to go anyway. So I've got a decent microphone in the lid, so we'll see how that works. Just hope there's not too much wind noise. I've stuffed it in the cheek pad and with the foam sponge thingy on the top, but it also has a dead mouse, like a little furry thing that I haven't used today. So we'll see what this sounds like and go from there. Right, so yes, back out on the road. I had a little trip out yesterday to where I sort of went north of Peterborough up towards Bourne. It turned over as if I was going to go to Melton Mowbray, down through Oakham. Yeah, nice, quite a pleasant little ride. A lot colder than I was expecting, to be honest. So yeah, I didn't stay out all day like I was going to. It was fucking freezing. Got many layers on yesterday as well, and on a naked bike, when it hits you in the chest, yes, nature's thermometers stick out. So right, yes, so what we're going to do, and now I did take a couple of pictures at the Peterborough graffiti tunnel, so I'll put them on this video. Now probably at the end, or at the beginning, whatever I feel like. I haven't thought about it yet, and let you see those. I thought we'd have a little run. I thought we'd have an extra little run out today. So I've got to have the day off, and I'll have the day off tomorrow as well, which is well cool. And then back to work on Thursday and Friday, but then the following week I'm off work all week, and we're actually going away on holiday, 4 days, and we're going to go to Romania. We're going to visit Dracula's castle in Romania, in the Carpathian Mountains. If anyone knows the story of Dracula from Bram Stoker, because he wasn't a real bloke, he was based on a historical prince called Vlad Tepes, sometimes called Vlad Dracul, House of the Dragon. Quite fond of some particularly brutal punishments for his enemies, and one of his favourites was impalement. I'm not going to go into too many details, but basically it was in one end and out the other. And it was a blunt tip, so that it didn't pierce any organs, and basically went all the way through, and then he left you to die on the stake. Interesting chap. So anyway, yeah, so we're going to go and visit what they call Dracula's castle. Turns out it isn't. His actual castle is now in ruins, and we think it's what is left is being renovated, but they're doing some preservation work on it, so we can't actually get up there. But the castle we're going to visit, which I think is Bran Castle, apparently is the one that in all of Romania most closely ties up with how Bram Stoker described Dracula's castle. So yeah, we're quite looking forward to seeing that, and maybe seeing a bit of Bucharest as well. Quite a very interesting place, by the sounds of it. But yeah, but it's basically the first time we've been on holiday, my wife and I together, for maybe 10 years. So it will make a nice change to get away, just the two of us. Yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice day, a good day, good time. I'll try and take the camera with me and post some pictures, and I don't know if I'll be able to get the action cam, get the Gsxs1000 in the suitcase. I might be able to get it in, but it's whether it's worth taking it. Hopefully show you some footage of where we are. Yeah, as I was saying in one of my previous videos, there's a truck there with grass all over it. So, shocked. Yeah, I'm quite lucky to live where we do now, because 10 minutes out of home and we're in roads like this. We've got a local bike night, or several local bike nights actually around here, but we've got one that's just started up actually in Chatteris at the George Hotel. So I think this week would be probably the 4th week if if we go, see what the weather's like. I think the weather's supposed to be not too bad all week actually. That's a little village of Broughton down there. I might take you back through that way. It's another very old village. But yeah, there's quite a few bikes getting out now during the summer. We tend to go to one of the Green Man down in Colne, which is only about, I'm going to guess, about 6 or 7 miles or so from home. If I was to go to the straight from home to the Chatteris one, I think that the whole ride would take about 3 minutes. So I tend to go to the Green Man at Colne and then end up at the Chatteris one. A few of us went last week. We'll try and do some footage at some point. Put it on the March and Chatteris Bikers page. I started probably getting on for 8 months ago now. Got a few members starting to come good. About 100. This morning there was about 164, 165 members that are all supposedly from the local area. I bet most of them aren't, and I bet most of them don't ever contribute or comment on the page, but there we go. Such is life. Don't really care as long as you've got an interest in bikes, then it's all good. Okay, right, well, I think what we'll do, we'll sign off for now, and I'll pick this up again when we come into St Ives. Okay, cheers. Right, okay, here we are back again with you guys. Right, we are just about to come into the town of St Ives, and this again, pretty old. It has a lot to do with, as do a lot of other places around this area, like March, Ely, Huntingdon. They have an awful lot to do with Oliver Cromwell. He was around from these parts, and yeah, so there's an awful lot to do with him around here. So I'd just sort of come in here and have a cup of coffee, and right there, as you can see, just behind the crown, is a statue of Oliver Cromwell, which is all very good. There's a Gsxs right there, which again is very good. We shall hop up here, put that there, and go and get a cup of tea at a Gsxs. Okay then guys, that's it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.